Thank you very much, Presiding Officer, and I too want to congratulate my friend and colleague Bill Kidd for securing this important debate. But remember the dead, fight for the living. This is what International Workers' Memorial Day stands for. All over the world, workers are showing solidarity and are conducting events, demonstrations and vigils, campaigning for stricter enforcement and also higher penalties for breaches of health and safety laws. As Bill Kidd mentioned earlier on, the fact that, according to the United Nations, more people are killed at work than in wars. That's an astounding fact. These deaths don't occur in sudden unexpected accidents, but with long-term negligence towards worker safety, therefore leading to fatal illnesses such as mesothelioma, asthma and dermatitis. Now this is disgraceful and it cannot continue. And tomorrow I'll be attending an event in my own Greenock and Inverclyde constituency for International Workers' Memorial Day. Remembering those in Inverclyde and beyond who have suffered due to the negligence of their employers. The theme of this year's Memorial Day is dangerous substances. Get them out of the workplace. As others have spoken about, this involves carcinogens, a substance capable of causing cancer in living tissue. And examples of these are asbestos and diesel exhaust. Asbestos is the biggest cause of workplace deaths. And this year, 5,000 people are likely to die prematurely as a result of asbestos exposure. And although its use has been banned for 20 years, asbestos-containing materials can still be found in around 500,000 workplaces in the UK. And there is no safe threshold of exposure to asbestos fibres. Now, even the smallest of quantities over a short period of time can lead to mesothelioma several decades after exposure. And it's estimated that over 6 million tonnes of asbestos fibres were imported into Britain during the last century. Now, most of it is still here in workplaces, homes and buildings, meaning workers will continue to actually be exposed. This is one of the reasons why I'm working to bring forward my proposed Recovery of Medical Costs for Industrial Disease Scotland Bill. Now, the purpose of the proposed bill is to ensure that the NHS doesn't foot the bill for employers' negligence, as it seeks to allow the recovery of costs associated with NHS treatment for industrial diseases caused by negligence. Now, the bill won't only claw back crucial monies for the NHS, but will also help to protect workers in the years to come. Now, the proposal was initiated by Clydeside Action on Asbestos, and I pay tribute to them for that, but also for their dedication that they've shown over many, many years to help people and their families who have suffered through asbestos exposure. Presiding Officer, this year marks the 200th anniversary of the death of James Watt, the Greenock-born inventor who improved the steam engine, which was fundamental in leading the UK into the Industrial Revolution. Now, back in 1776, he couldn't have been able to imagine what industry would be like in 2019. Now, like him, we may have no idea as to what's going to come in 20 years, 50 years, 100 years, but industries will arise and they'll be completely different, and also there will be different occupational hazards and workplace diseases that we won't even know about yet. The bill that I'm taking forward will actually make sure that we're going to be ready for it, with good measures to protect workers and also the taxpayer and the NHS. Presiding Officer, to conclude, it's important that we mark International Workers' Memorial Day to remember all those lives that were shortened due to their workplace. But it's also vital that we work to protect workers' health as best we can, and we all deserve to work in a safe environment. Thank you very much.